What if a house were not a finished object placed on the land, but a small world inside, a place where the outside becomes part of everyday life and the architecture itself becomes the view? This is the Red House by Pacarizi Studio, a home designed for a large, spread-out family, people who come and go, who gather, who stay for seasons in a coastal village set within a vast agricultural garden. And what's most interesting is that this house does not begin with its facade, it begins with what sits at the center. At its heart is an open courtyard with a swimming pool. But here, the courtyard is not an outdoor area. It is the summer living room. It is where the day happens. Light, wind, water, shade, and every path through the house passes through it. Instead of organizing life through internal hallways, the house creates a simple habit. To move from one space to another, you cross this open core. You see the sky. You feel the air. You sense the garden. And that changes everything, because the Red House is not a house that tries to close itself off to be modern. It does the opposite. It opens itself inward. It is a house that looks out to the landscape, but also looks at its own architecture. From every window, you see a tree, a fragment of the horizon, and at the same time, you see the courtyard, the plains, the shadows, the voids. Inside, the floors combine local stone, wood, and a general feeling of quiet solidity, as if the house were made to be used without fear. Large, fixed windows bring in light and frame the garden like a living picture, and the smaller operable openings serve a simple purpose, letting the air move naturally. Even the way the house was built reinforces this spirit. The design was simplified as much as possible to reduce cost, increase usable space, and avoid waste. Local teams, few people, a direct rhythm, almost no construction residue. The experience is not just about being inside. It is about moving, crossing, climbing, changing perspective. The place where this house was built also helps explain the project. In Albania, many single-family homes were created within a way of life that is rapidly changing. Aging families, young people emigrating, greater distances, more movement, more coming and going. The difference between a permanent home and a seasonal home is becoming blurred, and the Red House responds with a simple idea. A house that is durable over time and flexible for people who live in motion. That is why there is no display here. There's intention. The house is low, direct, designed to work with the climate and the rhythm of the place. It uses simple, local solutions, not to look rustic, but to be sensible, healthy, and comfortable. It is a house that places you inside a scene, and that scene continues upward. A wide stair rises from the courtyard as an extension of that space, leading up to the roof level. And when you reach the top, the house rewards you with new views, the nearby trees, the surrounding garden, and the distant landscape. The main structure is concrete. The exterior walls are thick, built with local hollow bricks. The insulation and finishes use a natural mix of simple materials designed to last for a long time. And then comes a detail that seems small but changes the entire logic: the color. The red is not paint applied like makeup, it is mixed into the material itself. This means the house does not need to be repainted to remain itself. It ages without losing its identity. And in the end, what remains is not just the image of a beautiful red house. What remains is the idea of a home that does not try to defeat its place. It tries to belong. A house that turns the courtyard into the center of life, that turns the garden into daily routine, and that proves that sometimes the strongest architecture is not the one that shouts, it is the one that creates a simpler, healthier way of living, more connected to what already exists around it.